Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very beautiful and beginner friendly crochet shawl pattern. I have made the shawl already, and in this video I will just show you how to make the pattern. And with this pattern you can easily make shawl as wide and as long as you want. So for this crochet project I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. You can use 4-ply yarn instead of 3-ply yarn as well. This is up to you. So first of all, we will make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. In this way make more chains. So I have made total of 38 chains. You can make more chains as well. So you don't have to take any multiple. This is up to you. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into this 4th chain from the hook right here and draw up a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. These 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet, so we have 2 double crochet stitches here. Then into the next chain make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet. In this way make 1 double crochet in each of these chain till the end. So I have made 34 double crochet stitches on 34 base chain. Sorry, I tell 38. I have made 34 chains. So for the next row make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet here also. Then skip first stitch, into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet here, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. In this way make double crochets till the end. So I have made all double crochet stitches, and our last double crochet stitch would be in this 3rd chain because this is also counted as a double crochet. So make last double crochet stitch in this 3rd chain, and after these 2 double crochet stitches rows we are going to start our pattern row. So make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet in every row. Turn up the work into the 2nd stitch here, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd stitch, 1 double crochet into the 4th stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the 5th stitch. After these 5 stitches on this side we are going to make a shell stitch. For this shell stitch skip 3 stitches here, into the 4th one we are going to make a shell stitch. So in this 4th stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, after that chain 1, chain 2, then double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. This is our shell stitch. Skip 3 stitches again, into the 4th one make 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet into the next one, 1 double crochet into the next one. Make double crochets in next stitches except the last 12. So we have 12 double crochet stitches here. So 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 stitches, into the 4th one we are going to make a shell stitch again. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Then make chain 1, chain 2 into the same stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Skip 3 stitches into the fourth one, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next one, 1 double crochet into the next one, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then into the third chain we are going to make our last stitch. So we have a set of 5 double crochet stitches here also. So this is our pattern row, and we are going to repeat this third row for rest of the shawl pattern. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Turn up the work, skip first stitch into the next one, make 1 double crochet, then into the third stitch make 1 double crochet, into the fourth stitch make 1 double crochet, then into the fifth stitch make 1 double crochet, and after that we have a shell stitch. We will skip these 3 stitches of shell stitch and we are going to work into the chain 2 space to make another shell stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Make chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Like this. Skip these 3 stitches of shell stitch and into the next one here make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next one, and make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches till this last stitch before shell stitch. So here we have shell stitch again, and we are going to work in the chain 2 space of this shell stitch. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Make chain 1, chain 2, into the same chain 2 space double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Then in these last 5 stitches we are going to make double crochets in each of them. So make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches till the end. So we are just going to repeat this row for whole of the length of our shawl, and after required length is completed we are going to make 2 simple double crochet stitches again. So I will make 1 for you. Make 3 chains, turn up the work, skip first stitch into the next one, make 1 double crochet, then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet, and after that we have stitches of our shell stitch. In these stitches we are going to make 1 double crochet in each. So 1 double crochet in the first stitch of shell stitch, 1 double crochet into the second stitch of our shell stitch, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, and we have chain 2 space here. As you can see we have worked this shell stitch in one stitch, so we are going to make 1 double crochet in this chain 2 space. to make the number of stitches exact as the starting one. So after that, we are going to make 1 double crochet into the next stitch after chain to space, then 1 double crochet into the next one, 1 double crochet into the next stitch of shell stitch. Then we have other stitches. We are going to make 1 double crochet in each of them. So in this way we would make this pattern. After this simple solid double crochet stitch, we are going to make another simple solid double crochet stitch. I have added tassels on my shawl as well. So for this purpose, in the starting I have made double crochet chain 1 pattern row in the starting. So if you want to make that row, you have to make your number of chains odd number. So you can make odd number of chains for that purpose, and you can add tassels. This is completely optional. If you are a lover of tassel work, you can add tassels at the ends of your shawl and it will look gorgeous. And you can add pockets to your shawl to make it pocket shawl if you are interested. So at this area you can make more double crochet stitches according to your width of pocket, and you can add pocket by making simple double crochet stitch rows of pocket length, and you can add pocket to this shawl as well. I have added pocket on my shawl as well, so you can see the picture on thumbnail. I hope you guys like this simple and beginner friendly pattern tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. After pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon to get notifications as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.